Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of AUDUSD, NZD, USD, USDCAD, USDCHF, and USDJPY, other forex pairs. So let's get started. So the market is open, and after the market opening, we can see that AUD is the strongest currency here, and the second strongest currency is Euro. Keep in mind AUD is very strong today, and NZD is also on the stronger side. So as the day passes, there is a possibility that NZD may become more strong, or AUD may lose some strength as well. So keep in mind that the market has just opened, the day has just started. Okay, so this may change also. So before taking any position, if possible, try to look at the not sentiment meter, the currency strength meter once. Okay, and on the other side we have USD on the weaker side, the weakest currency as of now, and JPY is also seem to be very weak today. So let's get started. First of all, we have the chart of AUD-USD in front of us. Right now, trading at 7208. This is the current market price here. And due to the strength in the AUD, we can see there was a huge jump after the market opening on the AUD-USD dollar. If you have a buy position, long position on the chart of AUD-USD, then you are one of the lucky people be on the trade. But if you are like me who has missed the train, then my dear friend, we have missed the ride. And honestly speaking, though we have a resistance around this level or this level, but taking a sell position in this market is very risky, because AUD is the strongest currency here and USD is the weakest. So as the day passes, okay, if we see that Aussie's or Australian dollar is losing strength, USD is getting stronger, then we can think about taking a sell position in the resistance of 0.7240 or 0.7250, around this level. But in this market condition, okay, taking a sell position at this level is very risky here. So I will just recommend you, my dear friend, if you have missed the opportunity like me, then sorry, we can't do anything right now. So our only strategy should be, okay, buy at dip. Okay, buy at dip. So if market comes down to a level of 0.7170, around this level, 60 level, okay, then we can take a buy position, because see, we will also have to think about our risk to reward ratio as well. If you take a buy position here, then your risk to reward ratio is not in your favor. So buying at dip is the only option, because AUD has gone up. Let's look at a chart of NZD USD now. In the NZD USD also similar scenario, because NZD is on the stronger side and USD is on the weaker side. And as you can see that NZD USD has almost reached the resistance of 0.6730. We have a resistance around 0.6730. And considering the weakness on US dollar and the strength of the New Zealand dollar, I will say that taking a sell position at the resistance is very risky. Do not take a sell position, my dear friend. Keep in mind the levels on the chart are not permanent. Okay, so there is a possibility that market will break the resistance and market may go up as well. So if market breaks the resistance and goes up, definitely you can take a buy. But keep in mind, waiting for some time is very important. If market breaks the resistance, wait for 1 hour, 1.5 hours, and just see, try to observe the market how it is doing. If you see that yes, market is trading comfortably above the resistance, yes, you can take a buy position as well. But on the other hand, if we see that market is reversing from the resistance, then we can take a sell position. But before taking a sell position, look at the currency strength meter. If you see that NZD is very strong, don't do that. Don't take a sell position. It's better to avoid. And on the other hand, if you find NZD USD around the support level of 0.6685 to 0.6680, this can be a good buy as well. Okay, buy at dip is the best option for NZD USD, or buy at support. Buy at dip or buy at support is the best option for NZDUSD right now. Let's look at the chart of USD typical choppy market, sideways market. We have support at what is this? 1.2680. Let me write again, sorry. We have a support at 1.2680 and 1.2660. Here, this is the support for USD CAD here. So if USD CAD comes to the support level, there is a possibility of market bouncing from the support zone. If market bounces, well and good, we can definitely take a buy position on USD CAD chart. If market comes to the support zone and buy, okay, because we can see that market has been taking a taking support in this level for quite some time. Okay, but I would like to mention one more thing here, because as market has been testing this level too many times, so there is also a possibility of market breaking the support and going down as well. And today USD is on the weaker side. If something bad happens to the market, then yes, there is a good possibility of market breaking the level and going down. So what is the solution here? The solution is, when market will be reaching this level, observe the market and see. If you see just like the previous time, good price rejection, okay, then you can go for buy if the price rejection is good enough. But if you see that the selling pressure is too high, this time the price rejection is not there, market looks weak, then do not take the buy position, because the chance of breaking the support and going down is higher. Okay, so observation will be very critical when market will be in this level. Clear? And at the top we have 1.2780 as the resistance here. If market suddenly goes up, there is a possibility of market reversing from 1.2780 to 1.2800 level. Okay, so if market reverses, we can also take a sell position. But again, confirmation will be in the form of a shooting star, bearish pin bar. So without confirmation, don't do anything. Next chart, dollar yen. Dollar yen. Sorry. We have a support. Okay, we have a support around 114.80. This is the support for USDJPY. But right now USD is weak, JPY is also weak. So if market comes down to the support level, okay, do not buy blindly, because considering the presence weakness on the currencies, there is a possibility of market breaking the resist support and going down. In my previous video also I have mentioned that though we have support zone, but market has been forming lower highs. Okay, market is unable to cross the previous highs, and this kind of scenario signifies the increase in selling pressure in the market. So selling pressure is high enough in this market, so blindly taking a buy position at the support will be very risky. So don't do that, because as I said, okay, considering the present scenario, there is a possibility of market breaking the support and going down as well. So okay, so observe the market first. If market comes to the level, just see. If market bounces, well and good, go for a buy. If market fails, then don't take a sell position also, because we have any immediate support at 114.55 to 114.50. We have immediate support also. So if market comes down to this level, there is a possibility of market bouncing from the level here. Why this level is important? Because we have derived this level from the Fibonacci retracement. 61.8%. Okay, so let's wait and watch how market reacts in the immediate support of 114.80. That will be very important. Now let's look at the chart of USD CHF, US dollar, Swiss franc. Not a good market at all. Okay, not a good market, but yes, we have support around this level. And if you look at the currency strength meter here, then USD is the weakest and CHF is also on the weaker side. So things are not very positive here. Though market has almost reached the support zone here, but we do not have the confidence on the market right now. And similar scenario, lower highs in the market. Lower highs in the market. So to be honest, taking a buy position, okay, in this market condition is very, very risky, and market has almost reached the support zone here, you can see. But things doesn't look very positive right now. So let's wait and watch. I don't think so. Market has the potential right now, but as the day passes, USD may try to recover, and we may see some recovery on USD CHF chart. But as of now, does not look good. Until and unless US dollar recovers, okay, don't take a buy position. Though market is standing at the support here. Okay, and overall, this is not a good chart either. Okay, let's wait and watch. My jaw is paining now. Bye bye, take care. See you tomorrow.